2019 Volkswagen Atlas 3.6 liters V6 SE with technology R-Line 4Motion VW certified, remainder of factory warranty, service record available, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, ABS brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, automatic temperature control, brake assist, bumpers, body color, delay off headlights, distance pacing cruise control, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, VW Carnet services, capabilities require enrollment or subscription, exterior parking camera rear, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front dual zone AC, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, overhead airbag, panic alarm, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power lift gate, power steering, power windows, radio data system, radio, composition media 8.0 touchscreen, rear anti-roll bar, rear window defroster, remote CD player, remote keyless entry, roof rack, rails only, security system, side steps, set of 2, speed control, speed sensing steering, spoiler, standard suspension, steering wheel mounted audio controls, traction control, turn signal indicator, mirrors. Recent arrival. Clean Carfax. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.